All right, I got the bright idea today to try to catch a shark off my kayak. It didn't start as a shark fishing adventure. It started as taking my mom and dad and girlfriend's little brother to the airport. I figured, hey, I'll bring my kayak and maybe I'll hit a little river or something and try and catch some saltwater fish. And then we went to Bass Pro Shops and Dick's, and I ended up buying this big rod here behind me. I don't know if it's made for sharks, but I bought it and I put a 100-pound braid on it, 165-pound swivel, 125-pound steel leader cable stuff, and a big 6-ounce sinker. So I'm actually like in this, it's like there's an island, and this is like a road that runs through these little beaches, so the old lady's gonna sit on the beach and I'm gonna paddle over to this bridge and I'm just gonna see if I can't catch a shark. I don't know if there's even sharks around here. Maybe I'll catch a big grouper. I don't know. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna catch or if I'm gonna catch anything, but I'm gonna give it a go. I don't think my 10-foot kayak is big enough to quite be out here, but it's all in fun, right? We're gonna see if we can't make it happen. So yeah, here I go. Whoa, scared me. Whatever it is, it's a toothy critter. First bite I've gotten so far, bit my tail off, or first bite on this since I put it on like 4 casts ago. I'm gonna keep trying it like this because whatever it was just chased up to the boat, scared me. But yeah, it's a good sign, getting bit. There he is. Fish on. What do we got here? Oh, ladyfish. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get in the kayak. There we go. First fish on the kayak. So yeah. Little ladyfish would be great for bait. I just really don't have anywhere to keep it. So I'm not gonna use it for bait. I'm gonna keep, well, once I find a spot, I might zing my bait out there and just see, with all these bait fish around, there might be sharks cruising the edge of this little island thing. So yeah, there's our first fish. Get her let go, and we are on the board. Shark rig is a go. Got one. Oh. Oh, got it again. Oh, oh, oh. Oh boy. No, 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 no. No, 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 you gotta see this. Nope, nope. You gotta see this fish. No. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Ow! 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 Oh, we're gonna swipe the fish in the boat. Hold still. Hold still. Stop. Come here. Ah! Wow. That was crazy. Yes. Holy smokes, look at that thing. Look at the teeth. Look at the teeth. I think this is a needlefish. I think is what that's called. I'm not sure for sure. I'll have to look. But that is a wild. Look at it. Look at the teeth. Oh my God. All right, I gotta get him out of here. I'm bleeding, I think. Ugh. Yeah, he definitely got me with his sharp chompers. That's for sure. That was quite the fish. Hopefully I don't run into too many more of those. Not really fond of that guy. His teeth, though, were crazy. That is the first one of those I've ever caught. So whatever it was, I'm guessing that it was a needlefish, but I'm not really sure. So let's see if we can catch something else. So it's 2 species off this little island that I'm sitting on. Yeah. Oop, there's one. Oh, I think we had another ladyfish on. Oh, whatever's out here, it's got to be the needlefish, I think. Second time I've gotten broke off. I might have to make a little leader. So I'm gonna make a little leader, and I'll be back after it. There we go. Homemade leader isn't the prettiest, but I didn't bring enough of these little swim bait hooks to break off every couple casts. So I got a couple more swim bait hooks. So being what's that word? You know, where you're cautious before things start happening. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So get this tied on, get another gambler little easy put on here, and we should be good to go. So I think my net I bought, I don't think it's gonna be able to net a shark. I'm not sure what this thing is even gonna be able to net. I swore when I read the instructions it said it was 24 inches wide. And maybe it said it's 24 inches long like this, but I figured it was a little bigger than this. I don't know if this is for catching minnows or what it's for. Your kids catch butterflies or what, but it ain't gonna be very good for netting any quality fish, that's for sure. But hey, I got it in case I see a school of minnows. Well, that is gonna sum up the shark fishing saltwater adventure on my kayak. I got a bit of a paddle yet to get back to where the truck is, so I'm going to get after that. It wasn't a bad day though. I mean, first time in this area that I've ever fished in saltwater. I've only done the saltwater fishing thing twice, or this is my second time, so I don't feel bad. I caught 2 fish. It's been cool to catch a shark, but I'm definitely gonna come back out probably sometime this week and try and get to a place that's a little bit more remote and not as many boats, because I mean it's pretty rough out here to be in the kayak, in my opinion. But what can you do? You know, there was a good spot that I thought was a good spot, and we got there and we were on a one-way road, and to get back to it, it was basically like a 25-minute loop that I was going to take, and I didn't really want to do that. I wanted to get out here and start fishing, so came over to the bridge. The old lady went to the beach. Figured it was going to be a good spot to try, and you know, I probably could have caught some more fish, but Or apparently I couldn't because I didn't. But alright, until next time, you guys know what to do. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And drop a comment down below. And let me know if you like these kind of weird excursions. And see you next time. Peace out, guys.